What's good, fam? Today we're going to learn how to draw a cube in 2-point perspective. Draw a 2-inch line on your center line and connect either end to the vanishing points. The cube is made of 3 lines from the left vanishing point, 3 lines from the right vanishing point, and 3 vertical parallel lines. All vertical lines drawn in 2-point perspective are parallel to the center line. I use the ruler to create parallel lines that are equally spaced from the center line. Connect your vertical lines to the vanishing points. If the vertical lines of your cube are equally spaced, they will cross the center line at the same point. Now we're going to make the cube hollow. Draw dots just inside of each face of the cube. Connect the dots to draw a square inside of a square on each side. Draw a line from the corner of a square directed at the vanishing point and stop at the center line. Mark the new line with 4 points, then draw verticals from those points. Use the vanishing point to draw the next 4 lines. Lightly extend the lines to the center line and mark each point. Draw lines from the marked points directed at the vanishing point. The marked points will make your drawing symmetrical. Draw verticals. Create new marked points for symmetry. I like to work in a direction and unlock the next set of points to create more supporting lines that help the 3D illusion so everything is in sync. Stoked to share more with you in the next video.